As a show owner or creative team member, you have the ability to change the beat value of a song or the pulse of a song. On this screen here, you'll see that the tempo card reads dotted quarter note equals 48. But what if I want to know how to count the eighth note pulse? To change the beat value, go into the Score tab and tap anywhere you see a plus button located throughout the page. Select the beat value option from this menu. Input the location of the change in the measure section, and in the drop-down menu, which currently reads quarter note, select eighth note and tap the blue check mark to save this change in the song's roadmap. Now, switch back to the Rehearse tab in the upper left corner, and you will see that the tempo card now reads eighth note equals 144, which is equivalent to dotted quarter note equals 48. To undo this change, tap the three-dot icon in the upper right corner and select Undo.